Are you a healthcare professional, nurse, PA, NP, IMG, and ready to work from home and earn more? If you're overwhelmed by long shifts, burnout, or limited career growth, there's a better way. Epical Health invites you to a career upgrade that's transforming healthcare professionals' lives across the country. Introducing our 100% online clinical documentation specialist, CDS course, designed to prepare you for the CCDS and CDIP exams, with a 98% plus pass rate and counting. But this isn't just about passing a test. It's about elevating your career into a high-paying, flexible, and respected field. With our course, you'll unlock remote CDI job opportunities, high salaries plus leadership potential, access to a booming market even if you're new to CDI, and a chance to shape the healthcare revenue cycle and make real decisions that impact care and compliance. And the best part? You'll be trained by highly qualified instructors with over 20 years of CDI expertise and who've already helped hundreds of professionals start their CDI careers. If you're a nurse, IMG, PA, NP, or have a clinical background, you're already 90% there. We'll take you the rest of the way with expert step-by-step guidance. Busy schedule? No problem. Our flexible course was built for professionals like you on the go. Short on time, but big on ambition. CDI isn't a job, it's your next level. Join the movement. Start your CDI journey today with Epical Health.